Did you search for Malay on Duolingo and come up empty? You're not alone. Despite being spoken by over 290 million people worldwide, Duolingo still doesn't support Malay. But don't worry. Today, we'll explain how you can learn Malay right now. Duolingo teaches Klingon and High Valerian and multiple other languages. But still, Malay is nowhere to be found. This often means that less common, though equally as important languages, don't end up on the platform. This created big challenges for learners, especially heritage speakers and second-gen learners. Without accessible language learning tools, they can feel disconnected from their language and culture. And it can be frustrating when a popular app leaves out a language like that. But here's the good news. The Ling App has you covered. It's one of the very few apps that offers full, structured language lessons. It goes beyond basic flashcards with native speaker audio and grammar tips that actually make sense. It's got dialogue based on real-world situations and interactive games that make language learning fun. You can click the link in the description below to download the app now. Ling has everything Duo doesn't for Malay, and it's built with real cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, you can keep your language alive. Whether you're reconnecting with your roots, prepping for a trip, or learning for love, Ling makes it happen. Thank you for watching, and let's keep the Malay community alive. Terima kasih!